Welcome to Love and Life, the channel where I dive into the intricacies of relationships, dating, and personal growth. Today I've got a hot topic for you: how to make a girl crave you. Ever wondered why some guys effortlessly attract women, while others struggle to get noticed? The secret lies in the art of creating detachment. In this video, I'll reveal how the law of detachment can make her crave you. First up, let's talk about the law of detachment. One of the best ways to make a girl crave you is by applying this principle. The less you care, the more she will want you. Sounds counterintuitive, right? But trust me, it works. When you're emotionally detached, you won't come off as needy or clingy, which is a major turnoff. Instead, you'll exude confidence, mystery, and attractiveness. Create detachment by giving her space and adding a touch of mystery. Next, let's dive into the power of space and mystery. Space and mystery are potent tools for attraction. When you give a girl space, you're allowing her to miss you, wonder what you're up to, and think about you. This creates anticipation and excitement, making you more attractive. Mystery is essential too. By maintaining an air of intrigue, you become more fascinating and desirable. Don't reveal everything about yourself, keep her guessing. Now let's master the art of emotional detachment. How can you achieve this? Start by limiting your communication. Instead of texting her all day, limit your messages to once or twice daily. This builds anticipation and excitement, as she'll wonder when she'll hear from you next. Another tip: take breaks from communicating. Spend a few days without contacting her, 3 to 5 days even. This gives her space to miss you and wonder what you're up to. But what if she doesn't reach out? Don't stress, it's not the end of the world. It's a sign she might not be interested, and that's okay. You're not here to convince her to like you. You're simply creating detachment and mystery, which is incredibly attractive. If she's not into you, plenty of other women will be. In conclusion, making a girl crave you is all about creating detachment and mystery. By giving her space, limiting your communication, and taking breaks, you create anticipation and excitement. Remember, the less you care, the more she will want you. Thanks for watching Love and Life. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.